Hello kids, how are you all? I am taking your GK subject for the standard 6, okay, for the English medium also. So, we are on the GK, okay, there is a chapter number 33, the name is the mountains, okay, mountains, the mountains of our countries and the other countries in the whole world, okay, there is a one of the great there, okay. So, now we learn about the mountains, the name of them and where it is located, okay. So now the chapter number 33 mountains, okay. The number 1, here is the match the following, okay. You match your columns there A with B, okay. So there is a some name of the mountains, okay. The first is the world's most scared peak, okay, world most scared peak according to Hindus, Muslims and Buddhists. Hindus, Muslim and Buddhists. So it is the name of is Adam's Peak, okay. I write the name here, okay. I write the actual answer here. So but you match in this chapter, okay. So world's most scared peak according to Hindus, Muslims and Buddhists. So it is the Adam's Peak, okay. And the second is the mountains where the world famous Ajanta Ellora caves were discovered, okay. The mountains where the world's famous Ajanta and Ellora caves were discovered. The name of it is the Sahyadri Mountains, okay, where it is located in India also, okay. So it's the Sahyadri Mountains. Then the 3 number, highest peak of North America. Highest peak of North America. The name of is the Mountain McKinley. It is a 6,194 meters long. Okay. So highest peak of the North America, Mountain McKinley, it's 6,194 meters there. Okay. The 4 number, the highest peak in the world. The highest peak in the world. The name of it's Mount Everest. The height of it is 8,848 meters. Okay. The height of this mountain. Okay. It's the world's highest peak of, okay. So it is a Mount Everest. The height of it is 8,848 meters. Okay. Then the 5 number, the largest volcanic mountain in Hawaii. Okay, the largest volcanic mountain. It is a mountain, but it's a volcanic mountain. So the largest volcanic mountain in Hawaii with a crater 3 miles long and 1 mile wide. Okay, it's a crater 3 meter long and 1 mile wide. It is one of the volcanic mountain. So the name of is Mauna Loa. The name of it is Mauna Loa. Okay. Then we are here the five 1 2 3 4 5. It's a complete, okay. World most scary peak according to Hindus, Muslims and Buddhists. It is Adam's Peak. The second is the mountain where the world famous Ajanta Ellora caves were discovered. It is the Sahyadri Mountains. The 3 number, the highest peak of North America. It is Mountain McKinley, which it is 6,194 meter long. Okay. The 4 number, the highest peak in the world. It is Mount Everest. The 5 number, the largest volcanic mountain in Hawaii with a crater 3 mile long and 1 mile wide. It is Mauna Loa. Okay. Then we are on the 6th number. Then we are on the 6th number. Okay. The 6th number is the highest peak of Europe. The highest peak of Europe. It is Mount Elbrus, which is 5,633 meters long. Okay. The seven number, the highest peak in India. Okay, it is India's the highest peak. So the name of its K2, Mount K2. Okay, the other name is Godwin Austen 2. Okay, the height of it, it's the longest, it's the highest peak of the India. It is 8,611 meters long. Okay. Then the eighth number, highest peak of Africa. Highest peak of Africa. It is the mountain Kilimanjaro, and which is the 5,895 meter long. Okay. So, and the nine number, the highest mountain range in South America. Okay, the highest mountain range. There is a range. Okay, it means the line of the mountains. So it is the highest mountain range in the South America, the Andes range. Okay, the name of it is the Andes. Okay. The 10 number, the mountain range which appears blue in the which is the westernmost part of the Tamil Nadu. It is a Nilgiri. Okay, Nilgiri range in India. So, okay, now we repeat on it. Okay, sixth number, the highest peak of the Europe. It is Mount Elbrus. Okay, which is the 5,633 meter long. Okay, the seven number, the highest peak in India. It is K2. K2 means Mount K2, and which is known as Godwin Austen 2, and the height of it 8,611 meter long. Then the eighth number, highest peak of Africa. Highest peak of Africa, which is the mountain Kilimanjaro, which is the 5,895 meter long. And the ninth number, highest mountain range in South America. The highest mountain range which is in South America, the Andes range. Okay, the range of its Andes. The 10 number, mountain range which appear blue in the westernmost part of the westernmost part of Tamil Nadu, which is the Nilgiri range, and it is located in India. Okay, so now the chapter number 33 over. Okay, so then we are on the 34 chapter number. Okay, then we are on the next chapter. Okay, chapter number 34. Okay, there is a name of it, so water bodies around us. Okay, water body around us. Okay, there is some question answer there. Okay, some question and the answer of them, the related to water bodies around us. Okay, the first name is deepest ocean in the world. Okay, we have 7 oceans there, but the deepest, very deepest ocean in the world, the name of its Pacific Ocean. Okay, the name of its Pacific Ocean. Then the second, the world's highest waterfalls at 979 meters. Okay, it is the highest waterfall. Okay, the height of its 979 meters. So the name of its Angel Falls. Okay, the name of its Angel Falls. The 3 number there, the largest inland saltwater lake in India. Okay, the largest inlet saltwater. It's a salty water. Okay, saltwater lake in India. The name of its Sambar Lake. Okay, and it is located in Rajasthan. Okay, the 4 number there, water body connecting Talaimanar and in Sri Lanka and Dhanushkodi pair in Rameshwaram. Okay, the water body connecting Talaimanar in Sri Lanka and Dhanushkodi pair in Rameshwaram, which is connected to both countries. Okay, country of India, the last peak is the Rameshwaram, and it is Sri Lanka's Talaimanar. Okay, which is connected by 2 countries. So the there is the name of its a Pearl Strait. Okay, the name of its a Pearl Strait. Okay, then we can repeat that. Okay, the deepest ocean in the world. The deepest ocean in the world. It is a Pacific Ocean. Okay, it is a Pacific Ocean. The second, the world's highest waterfalls at 979 meters. Okay, the world highest waterfall, which is a 979 meter. The name of it's Angel Falls. Okay, the name of it's Angel Falls. Okay, then the 3 number, the largest inlet salt water. Okay, it's a water. The water of lake, it's a salty. Okay, when we drink it, it's a flavor, very salty. So the salty water. So the largest inlet salt water lake in India. Okay, which is in India. So the name of its, which is located in Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan state in India. So the name of its Sambar Lake. Okay, the name of its Sambar Lake. The 4 number, water body connecting Talaimannar in Sri Lanka and the Dhanushkodi Bay in Rameshwaram. Okay, the water body, both are the water body connecting Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. Okay, the water body connecting Talaimannar in Sri Lanka and Dhanushkodi in Rameshwaram. Okay, this Pearl Strait, the name of it's a Pearl Strait, which is connected to both countries. Okay, the last peak of the India is the Rameshwaram. Okay, there is a Dhanushkodi, and the Sri Lanka's peak is the Talaimannar, which is connected with Talaimannar the Talaimannar and Dhanushkodi. Okay, which is the connected to both countries, the Sri Lanka and India. There is a Rameswaram is the last peak there. Okay. Okay, then we are on the next, the 5 number, which is the 5 number, deepest sea. Okay, it is the deepest sea stretch in the world with a depth of 10,994 meters. Okay, it's the deepest sea, very deep. Okay, it's the deepest sea and stretch in the world with a depth of 10,994 meters. Okay, the name of it is Mariana Trench. The name of it is Mariana Trench. Okay, then the 6th number, known as the Yellow River. Okay, it is a river, but the color is yellow color. Okay, Yellow River. The known is the Yellow River. The name of it's Huangpu. The name of it's Huangpu, which is located in China. Okay, the country of China. Okay, so the Huangpu known as the Yellow River. Okay, which is known as the Yellow River. The 7 number, water bodies is the key to the Mediterranean. Okay, the water body is the key to the Mediterranean. So, which is the name of is Gibraltar. Okay, Gibraltar. The name of it's Gibraltar. Okay. Then the 8 number, river, also known as the Sorrow of China. Okay, it is known as the Sorrow of China. The known is the Sorrow of China. It is the name of its river Huangpu. The name of it's the same name of this. Okay, the Yellow River and the river also known as the Sorrow of China. Okay, Sorrow of China. The name of it's Huangpu, which is the yellow in color. Okay, Yellow River also be known as the Yellow River also, and the Sorrow of China. Okay, the river also known as the Sorrow of China. The name, the same Hwang Ho. Okay, the name of its river Hwang Ho. Then we repeat it. 5 number, deepest sea stretch in the world with a depth of 10,994 meter. Okay, the name of its Marina Trench. Okay, the name of its Marina Trench. And the 6th number, known as the Yellow River. Known as the Yellow River. It's Hwang Ho. Okay, then known as the Yellow River, which is the Hwang Ho. And the 7th number, water body is the key to the Mediterranean. The name of its Gibraltar. Okay, the name of its Gibraltar. The 8th number, river also known as the sorrow of the China. River also known as the sorrow of China. The name of its river Hwang Ho. Okay, the name of its river Hwang Ho. So the both name are same. Okay. Now our chapter number 33 and 34 over.